Today we are going to focus on the situation in this part of the Mediterranean, but we shouldn't neglect that there are similar situations in other parts of the Mediterranean Sea. But beyond that, as I said before, it is the moment for political decisions, which means there must be political will on behalf of all member states, also the ones who are participating. The European Commission is here to support and present some ideas of how can we get out of this stalemate and see Europe better together.
But it seems that the only solution could be through a coalition of volunteers, not at 27 level.
At the first stage, yes. But we shouldn't lose the larger picture of migration as it is emerging, given all the well-known reasons that are still there. Our priority is to save lives. Second is to fight in a more effective way the smugglers' networks and crack them down. So, it is a multifaceted, polyamorous strain that must be addressed. I believe that at the end of this meeting today, we shall be in a position to make some very strong announcements about can we go forward.
Do you think it's possible?
Europe is spending a lot of money in the last 5 years as migration, including returns. Returns is one of our priorities as well. The ones who are entitled to be granted the status of refugee, as you know, it is our conventional and legal and humanitarian institution. But the others who want to cross the European borders legally and regularly must know that they will be sent back.
Sanctions
It's
could
very,
be
very clear.
Sanctions
Let's say on
could
that
be possible.
and wait for the announcements at the end of this meeting.